Yo, what's going on, traders? What's going on, team? It's Rafael back at the charts again. And in today's video, I want to talk about my trading session yesterday. I shared 2 trades with all of you inside the free Telegram channel. If you're not inside the free Telegram channel yet, make sure to check the link down below. In the description down below, you will find the private chat with me. Like if you're looking for guidance, if you need a mentor, if you need advice from a professional trader, make sure to drop me a private message in Telegram, and as soon as I find time, I'm going to get back to you, give you my best advice, show you how I trade. So yeah, you can learn a lot from that, so make sure to check the links down below. So guys, today is Thursday. I'm not going to trade today. I feel like I need to grab my mountain bike today and get into the woods and have some fun with the mountain bike, and yeah, just enjoying my day really. But before I'm gonna do that, I want to go over the results from yesterday, guys. So yesterday overall I made around 365,000, which is around 5%, a little bit more than 5% on this account. And overall for the week we up around 900,000 so far, which is a little bit more than 10%. And for the last 3 weeks, we up around 1.7, which is around 25%, a little bit more than 12% profit in 3 weeks, which is really crazy result. And with an account size like that, it's a shitload of money. Yeah, I'm using Hankotrade at the moment, so this is the one that I'm using right now. If you're looking for a broker, you can try them out. They got high leverage accounts, and they have pretty quick withdrawals and deposits through crypto. You should really check them out, guys. I really fell in love with them. I'm using them for a couple of weeks now, and yeah, they're pretty solid. Just check them out. So that being said, let's get straight into the charts, guys. I want to show you what I saw yesterday and why I did these trading decisions. I took 2 trades. The first one was a loss. I got in a little bit early on that one. So this is yesterday's movement, everything that happened yesterday, as you can see, from here to here. And this was Tuesday. So on Tuesday we formed a high and we formed a low, right? We have one low in here, one low in here. We can delete this one. Let's keep it easy, like Tuesday's low, Tuesday's high, right? So before the session started at around 8:30 in here, this is when the session started, we already grabbed yesterday's high. As you can see, the high was at around 12,546.1, and we took it out with 12,552.2. So yeah, like a few pips. But anyways, we took it out, and then we had this crazy drop, and I just watched this drop happening, and I was like, okay, we probably see something like this. I wanted to see like a slash through yesterday's low, Tuesday's low, right? So I expected like a little drop below yesterday's low, and then a pullback move. Okay, like overall, like this level is like the 50% of that move. Like this down move, this is the 50%. I expected a pullback around the 50%, maybe a little bit more than that, because if the market moves so quick, most of the time it comes back to fill this gap, to fill this imbalance gap, and to make some more business. I mean, if the market moves so fast, some more orders are waiting here to sell this thing. And yeah, like the market is moving in waves, so I expected a pullback, and I wanted to go with the overall trend, which is sell, right? I was like, okay, maybe we're gonna see a reversal in here and I would have buy this thing. I really wanted to catch like this pullback move. I wanted to trade the pullback, but as you can see the market, like the low in here is 12,100.2. This is the low, and yesterday's low was 12,101.9. This was, so I mean, we grabbed the low by just 1 pip. I expected like a little bit more than that. It was like more or less like equal, but it took it out, and we had this pullback, but I was not expecting a pullback, so I was thinking like it will pull back a little bit, but we're gonna see definitely a drop further with the overall trend direction, right? So let's go to the smaller time frames and see what was happening in here. Let's take the 1 minute chart. Okay, so on the 1 minute chart, I mean, as you can see, the market was climbing up a little bit slow. Like we took this low out, it was climbing up pretty slow, and after we hit this 50% level and the market rejected this level like pretty aggressive, on the pullback I wanted to get in, so I took this entry in here after this break of structure. I mean, here is where the structure broke, right? I was expecting a pullback and then a continuation to the downside. This was my first entry. I lost this one, which is all right. Market got higher, and then we tapped into this last zone, this last up move before the drop came. And as you can see, we touched that one perfectly, and I saw how it got rejected, and I was like, okay, like it hit that spot and then it got rejected pretty aggressively, and this was the moment when I decided to get in. I mean, of course we could have waited for the market to pull back and step into the game a little bit later, but yeah, I took a more or less aggressive entry. My stop was just above that high because I didn't expect the market to get above. We're in an overall downward trend and it should not exceed that high, so I was pretty confident that this one would be working out. And as soon as I had more confirmation that this one really wants to go down, as we started to build downward structure, as soon as the market was moving like this, like after this break of structure in here, this nice move, and I was in profit for like around a 1-1, I was moving my stop in here, so I reduced risk a little bit. And when the market pulled back, I have loaded it up like crazy. As you can see on the results, I took a lot of positions in here, so I was loading it up. And as soon as the market made that next nice break of structure, continuation to the downside, broke multiple structures, I was really moving that thing just above this high in here, and then I was just waiting. And over here I took my first profits. I took like 70% off the table in here. Then the market came back for a pretty strong reversal, and then I was not so confident in that position anymore. So I closed nearly everything. I just had like 5% left on the table, and then the market really showed me that it wants to continue to go down. And this was the moment when I was like, okay, let's step into the game again. So I was loading it up here again, and then I moved my stop like on 50%, like between the position in here. I had my entry position was somewhere in here. So I had one position in here, and then I decided to get in again here somewhere in here, and I moved my stop in the middle of that, so just to make sure I'm not going to lose anymore. And I already was good in profit. Like I banked a lot of I already banked a lot of money in here, but then I was loading it up again, trying to catch another one, and then I think I collapsed the whole position somewhere in this area just before this last recent significant low. Like the market was continuing to go down. This could have been like a crazy big trade, but I was not interested in like watching the chart for a couple of hours. I was already for a long time looking at it from 8:30 until nearly 13, yeah, until 1, let's say 5 hours. Okay, So yeah, that was more than enough for me, and we made a good profit. I mean, I cannot complain. Going home with 5% profit. I mean, 2 trading days this week so far, and for this week we up around nearly 700,000, which is amazing. What else do you need? Yeah. So yeah, lovely trade, guys. I hope this video was helpful. This is what we do. If you're looking for guidance, guys, if you're looking for strategies and stuff, if you want to learn how to do these kind of analysis and yeah, trading decisions on your own, you should really check out the Genius Trading Masterclass course. I put everything inside in here, everything that you need to learn. Even if you have no idea about trading yet, this course will take you from the basics onto the professional level with a lot of knowledge in here. We have more than 161 lessons, and you're gonna get a bunch of ideas in here that will get your trading game on the next level, and that will make you a profitable, consistent trader. And that's the goal, guys. So that's it for today. I'm going to ride the mountain bikes with my friend. We're gonna have some fun, and I hope you're having a good time as well, guys. Enjoy your day and see you next one. Peace.